Kan het
This
nog
is
lang
where the
vat?
water drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface spills out through the turbines and flows on downstream. Water temperature out of the turbines averages 53 to 55 degrees. You'll notice the roofs of both buildings put up wires coming out. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The cantilever towers that support and direct the wires lean into the canyon to ensure the wires do not touch